Every day, go ahead and have that out. You gotta put your AR books away.
Avery, now we're doing our times practice test.
Test or time? Oh. Alright, you should have your name, date, and number on your paper. You should have your name, date, and number on your paper. 23, 16. I should not be able to see your fluency. I shouldn't be able to see any multiplication facts on your desk. Those should be hidden under your homework. Alright, is everybody ready? Remember that goal we set as a class that nobody misses more than 10. Nobody misses more than 10.
That's right.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Alright, pencils up. Guys, you don't have to say pencils up or anything. I promise Miss James can handle that. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I thought so, but I'm just making sure. Alright, your highlighter's out. This is a practice, so you are able to check it. You should not be marking any wrong until I call it out, even if you did not get to it or did not do it. You should not be marking any out. None. You should not be marking anything out until I get to that number that I'm calling out. I'm looking at the very top one that's by itself. 8 times 2 is 16. First row, 20, 49, 0, 56, 70, 21, 50. Row 2, 6, 5, 25, 18, 72, 20, 36. Okay, where is the highlighter at? Okay, let's find one. Does anybody have a highlighter we can borrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, look at that. Alright, so we should be marking these wrong as we're missing them. Missed that one, we missed that one, we missed that one. We missed that one, that one, that one. Can you do that? Huh? Okay, let's see that. We're here at school today, so we need to act like we're here to learn. Row 3, 42, 12, 90, 54, 24, 100, 30. Next row, 16, 64, 32, 40, 9, 36, 35. Next, 0, 10, 30, 81, 40, 9, 36. Next row, 35, 0, 10, 30, 81, 60, 14. And last row, 6, 10, 24, 40, 28, 18, and 48. Shh. Write on your score, minus however many you missed. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to get your fluency that we just took. Behind it, you're going to put your practice fluency for the week. Behind that, you're going to put your notebook paper where you have been writing with. I want this on top. This, then your practice fluency for the week. Then your notebook paper. When I call your number, I need it. Alright, this is like a practice test, so we should practice what? Not to mention it's a transition that we can work on. Alright, number 1, bring me your papers. Transition. Woo, so far so good. 2, bring me your paper. Awesome. 3, bring me your paper. 4, bring me your paper. Number 4, bring me your paper. Alright, let's go. If we're at school, we gotta pick up our pace. How many did we miss? That should go in the score next time. Number 5. Awesome. Okay, do you not want your homework, baby? 6. job.
No,
Seven. Seven.
No.
Leo. Leo. No. 8. Oh, I like how people have it all nice and straight, ready for me to staple. 9. 10, 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16.
19.
Okay, do I want your morning work? What do I want? You guys did a great job, Keon. Getting better, aren't we? Good job. Do I want that? Not right now. Do I want that? No. Where's your practice? Where's this at? Where's this?
Oh, okay.
That's practice. Bring it to me.
Are we going over morning work?
Morning work and then homework. You want to go ahead and tell them?
Morning work.
Fluency for the week. Come on, Leo. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Thank you. Every Friday, okay? I need this every Friday. I need all 3 of these. 19. 20. Okay, what order did I want that in? What do you need to do this weekend, Trinity? What do you need to do this weekend? 21. 22. 23. 24. Alright, if you will, go ahead and get your morning workout and your home workout. That's what I want to see on your desk. Catch a bubble.
Oh, I thought.
This house has got it crooked up.
And then 21. How are you gonna do it?
I don't even know.
Look sideways, look sideways. It works.
Alright. We will just call them out. The first one is 20,239. The one below that is 84,200.
That's easy.
So far, so good?
So far, so good.
All right, next. 6,907. 7,672.
72.
Are you checking yours, Zachary? I don't know that you are. Next, 17,415. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Leo, we don't say that. That's not nice. Don't say that. All right, next, 1,033. Everybody get that? Okay, you can go ahead and put that behind your homework.
I think you forgot one. Oh, never mind.
All right, your homework. I need to see your homework out on your desk, and I need to see a bubble in your mouth. We are not working towards our snack outside or just dance today. And we already lost our A earlier. Our morning work should be complete. I'm sorry, homework. Awesome, 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 awesome. Why isn't this done? Where was it? Homework. Last night. Last night. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Thursday. Today is Friday. Do you see Friday? That should have been done last night. Alright, to begin with, we've got to list the first 6 multiples of 7. Multiples are many. Multiples are many. Alright, multiples are many and factors are few. So how do I find out the multiples of something? Just what? I just multiply. 7 times 1 is? 7 times 2? 7 times 3? 7 times 4? 7 times 5? 7 times 6? Why am I stopping there? Because I've got to list the first. Very good. Alright, when I find the product, I start in the hundreds place, right?
No.
Oh, I start in the tens place. Oh, man. I start in the ones. Alright, so 8 times 4 is 32. 8, oh yeah, carry my 3. 8 times 2 is plus 3.
19.
Carry my 1. 8 times 1 is
8.
Where's your homework? Alright, where did that bubble go?
I don't know.
Some people lost it. And then 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So guys, if I were saying this in a sentence, how would I say it?
The product of 224 and 8 is 992.
When we say this way, we say is, not equals, is. Alright, a rectangle has a length of 6 inches and a width of 8 inches. So guys, this is just going to be P equals 8 times 2 plus, I don't really have room, 6 times 2. P equals 16 plus 12. P equals 28 inches. Does everybody understand that? Give me a thumbs up if you got it. Give me a thumbs down if you're like, dude, I still don't know how to do perimeter. I need you to be honest. Remember, in this classroom, you can be honest. You can tell me if you don't understand something. Because if you're not honest, I don't know. And I don't know, you might need some extra help. I need to see a thumb up if you got perimeter. I need to see a thumb down if you don't. And if you're like, maybe I need to work a few more, I need to see it on the side. All right, now, some of you are doing this. I don't know if that's up or if that's to the side. It needs to be still. Up in the air. If you don't got it, do this. If you really don't have a clue what I'm talking about, do this. It's okay to be honest. And I don't want to know what your friend thinks. I want to know what you think. Your friend may or may not need help. So I need to know. Thumbs up means you got it. Sideways means, I might need a little extra help. And thumbs down means, man, I'm missing every single one of these perimeter problems. I need you to be honest, not play. Because if you're playing, you're wasting our time of learning. I don't see everybody telling me. All right. All right, let's move on. List all the factor pairs of 36. You should have 1, 36. Colon, semicolon. 2,
18.
I'm sorry, not 13, 18. Oh, man. All right, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes? Oh, yeah, 6 and 6. And then I would flip it and reverse it. And this is a what number? Composite number. Composite number. All right, let me see what you think about that one. Thumbs up, thumbs down, or sideways? Thumbs up, thumb down, or sideways? All right, guys, you should be able to give me a sign quickly, not just look.
Wait.
You should be able to tell me thumbs up, thumbs down, or I don't know yet. That means every single person should have a thumb in the air, a thumb down, or a hand in the air like this. Right now. All right. Leo, sit down. All right, find the difference. 2, take away 4.
Go next door and get some.
Thank you, Zachary, for starting that. That means I'm going to turn it into a 12. 12 take away 4 is 3, take away 2 is 1, take away 6.
Go next door and get some more.
So I'm going to say, hey, Mr. 9, I need some. 11 take away 6 is 8 take away 1 is. I gave it to y'all. Alright, if I were to say this in a sentence, I would say the difference between 9,142 and 1,518. Very good. Alright, if I'm finding the factor T of 77, I would do 1 and
7.
D7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
7 and 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I can what? Flip it and reverse it.
And it's a prime.
And it is a
No, it's composite.
composite. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, Trinity. This is a composite number. Composite number. Alright, if you will, put that away.
That was easy.
Oh, I love how quiet Kelly's working. Kelly, when you get that put away, go kiss your brain.
Best at giving that.
Put that away, Mr. DeCario. Okay, all that junk needs to be put away. Whatever that is needs to be put away. I need to see a clear desk. And I want you to get out your math journal. Table of contents. Table of contents. Leo, click in. Click in. Click in. Hurry, 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 hurry. Alright, in your science journal, on page 32, I'm at math, page 32,
We have to flip it to the back, remember?
alright, if you have 25, I want you to list 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and we're on 32. If you do that, that would make your dear teacher very, very, very happy. Multiplicative comparison is what this is called. Multiplicative comparison. Multiplicative comparison. Right. Leah. 32. Right. Mary Margaret, please put that away. Alright, on page 32, I want you to glue in this paper that we're about to complete. Glue it in. Leo, sit down. Sit down.
Glue.
You should have some in your desk. Look in your desk. In your desk. Dirty desk. Okay, you should count until you get to page 32 and then glue it in, Trinity. Oh, I love how Hastings double checking to make sure his pages are titled. He's got his page number at the bottom. He's got his name, date, and number. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. Okay, that's not on page 32. If this right here is page 9. You start right here because we are way behind. That needs to go inside your desk. That needs to go back to your friend Alex who let you nicely borrow that. Okay, well then you need to put that in your desk and say, thank you, Alex. Then you need to write the title at the top, and then you need to get some glue out, and you need to glue this in. We've got to pick up our cases. We're at school today. We're not at home today. We got to move fast if we're in the classroom. You know how Miss James likes to move quickly. Get busy writing. All right, Miss James is about to begin, and some people are going to be left behind. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, multiplicative, say that. Multiplicative. Multiplicative. What do you notice about the word multiplicative? It really has what? Multiple in it, so it must be, we must be doing some type of multiplication, right? Do you think so? What does the word comparison mean? If I say comparison, what am I doing? I'm comparing things or two things or more than two things. So on this first one, I'm going to model, so I'm going to do these first two with you, and then you're going to do the others by yourself. Deal? All right. Eddie has 4 baseballs. Frank has 4 times as many as Eddie. What do you think I need to find out? How many who has?
How much do you have together? How much Frank has?
Oh! So I automatically know how much Eddie has, but I need to know how many Frank has. I don't even know how to figure that out. Well, boys and girls, repeated addition means what?
Addition.
If you were in Miss James' class chat last year, you know that repeated addition means addition, addition, addition. Addition, addition, addition. You're making an addition sign with your hand. Addition, addition, addition. Say it 3 times. When you're doing repeated addition, what are you doing? Okay. So I'm going to just add. What number am I adding? How many times am I adding 4? Oh, so I need to do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, let's figure that out.
That's easy.
If I'm writing it,
You're writing.
if I'm writing it,
We're writing.
okay. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 8 is,
16.
What is a multiplication expression? Trinity? Oh, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. An array. In a minute, when you're at your group, you're going to have little cubes or circles to build an array with at your desk if you need to. So I would do 4 and 4. So turn your box into that. I'm doing my rows first, and then I'm going to do my columns. Is that an array?
Yes,
Is that
ma'am.
4 times 4? It is. So what's my solution?
It is
Well, if I said, tell me the solution to this problem, what would you tell me? Huh? What was my question in the beginning? I was trying to figure out what.
more than.
Not how many more.
How much does Eddie have?
How many does
Frank have.
Okay, so Frank has 16 baseballs. Is that a huge square? No, so can you write like the Jolly Green Giant?
No.
Is that a long sentence?
Yeah.
No, that's not a long sentence.
It's
Frank has 16 baseballs.
That's easy.
Alright, you have got to pick it up. I have already completely done number 1 and you've got it, don't even have it glued in or written on. Pick up our pace, pick up our pace, pick up our pace. We gotta go, go, go. What are we doing this class, guys? How many rows do you have? Make sure you have 4 rows. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and make sure you have 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everybody understand so far? All right. Read the next one for me, Zachary.
Sally has 8 seashells. She wants to collect 3,000.
Oh my.
2, 3.
If I'm doing repeated addition, what am I doing?
Addition.
What am I doing?
Addition.
What am I doing group 2? What am I doing group 2? What am I doing group 1?
Addition.
Oh, so I must be adding when I do repeated addition.
Yeah.
What number am I adding on this one? 8. And how many times?
3.
Guys, it tells you 3 times. So I'm going to do 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals, what is 8 plus 8? 16. What is 16 plus 8?
72. No, not 72.
24.
Yeah, 24.
All right, multiplication expression. What is that, Madison Hill? 8 times 3. It's just a multiplication problem. 8 times 3 equals what? 24. When I do my array, I'm going to do what? 8 rows. That's going to be hard, so you need to be very careful. See how careful I'm being? I'm not just flopping a bunch of lines down. If I counted all of my little rectangles, I would have 24 rectangles. And what is my solution? Who's the person? Sally has 24 seashells. That is pretty simple, guys. If you need to, you will have these little cubes and circles at your group or your table. And if you need to mess with these and make different things to try and figure this out, you can. More than likely, you're not going to need to do that, are you? Okay.
We're smart, so we can do it.
All right. All right, you are working with a partner either across from you or beside you, directly across from you, or directly beside you. Not diagonal from you. Because John Parker, if you work with Zach, who's y'all going to work with? So who do you need to work with, John Parker? Okay, who does Haley need to work with? Who does Cameron need to work with? Who does William need to work with? Who does Madison need to work with? Uh-huh. Who do these two need to work with? Each other, each other, each other. So that means you get to do heads in and go. Alright, I'm coming over here. Alright, if we are looking at the next one, it says what? What does the next one say? She has 7 plates and she needs 9 times as many. So I'm going to make a group of 7. Here's my group of 7, right? I need 9 of those, don't I? So that would be like saying, you need to turn around and get busy with Emma Riley. Turn around and get busy with Emma Riley. Turn around. I've got to make 9 of those. Can I do that? How many are in each group? 6. So can we figure out how many I would have? How many would I have, Kelly? So I would do addition. I would do 7 plus 7 plus 7. How many times? 9 times. Okay. Alright, I should see you. Heads in, honey's up. So go down, Kelly, go down. Leo, no. Stay with us. Alright, so that's really like saying if we don't want to figure out that repeated addition or problem, what would our multiplication expression be? 7 times 9. Kelly, will you spin that around where it's almost, spin the card around? Alright, look at the camera, look at the computer and tell me if you can see us.
It can see you.
Okay, spin it a little bit more so that it's looking at the table. There you go. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so 7 times what? How many times did we write the number 7?
9.
So 7 times.
9.
Okay, in your multiplication part, you're doing 7 times 9. And what is 7 times 9? Let me show you guys a trick. You got 2 hands, right? If I do 7 times 9, Hasten, share the trick.
Okay, you hold up on your finger and 7. Once you get to the 7, you put your 7th finger down, and then however many.
Alright, so let's see, Hasten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I put that one down, Hasten. Alright, so then I have how many right here? 6. And how many right here? So my answer must be 60. Alright, you try that. Count to your 7th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other way, flip it around. Start from the left to the right. Alright, look at me, Kelly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now look, I've got 6, 63. Do you see that? So your answer to 7 times 9 is 63. Alright, so my answer to my repeated addition would also be what? If I do 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Emerald, you're not doing that forehand. You need to turn around and get busy. We are working right now. Turn around and get busy. Turn around and get busy. We've got to work while we're at school. I understand that, but we've got to get done what we're working on before we can go home or go to the nurse. We haven't been at school in a very, very, very long time, and we're here today, so we've got to learn while we're here. And then we need to make an array, and a very careful array. We want to have 7 rows. 7 rows, so be careful drawing your 7 rows. On what? Number 1? I don't know. What do you mean, what was number 1? Yeah, we did it. What do you mean, what was number 1? What was the answer? I don't know. What, 7 plus 7 plus 7, 9 times? Is it not going to be the same as your multiplication expression, Trinity? So do you have the answer then? What's our trick? Find out. Figure out what's 7 times 9, Trinity. Look at my hands, Trinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put my 7th finger down because I'm multiplying by 7. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in my tens place. And I've got 1, 2, 3 in my ones place. What's 6 and 3? Oh, so your answer to 7 times 9 is 63. And your answer to 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 9 times is? Very good. Now you need to be making your array. 7 rows and 9 columns. Hey, bud. What's up? Thanks, Boo.
You're welcome.
Alright, then we need to figure out what our solution is. Our solution would be what? Jesse has 63 plates. Great job. Good job. Alright, next. Write that. Jesse. Not on that one. That one's Sally, I believe. Which one is he on? Okay. Jesse has 63 plates.
No, this one. This one.
He's on the right one. He's already worked ahead. Yes. Jesse has SSIE. Look at this. Jesse has 63 plates. Alright, the next one. John has 6 sandwiches. Kim has 2 times as many as John. So John's got 6 sandwiches. There's John's sandwiches. Right? Kim has 2 times that. So she has 2 groups of that. So how many does she have? She has 2 groups of that. She has 2 times as many as him. So what has she got? This is Kim's 12. How'd you figure that out? Or 6 times equals 12. So my repeated addition is what? Plus 6 plus what? 6 plus 6. And then my multiplication is 6 times. 2 columns. You got that, Hastings? Are you already done? Alright, the next one. John has what? 12. Or I'm sorry, it's Kim, isn't it? Okay, Kim has 12 sandwiches. Alright, so where are we at? Have we made our array? What's our array? 6 rows and what? Uh-huh. You think you can do the last two with your group, guys? Okay. Wow, guys. Miss James is truly impressed. She can work some on help. Miss James is truly impressed at how hard you guys are working. Alright, look. Ken has 12. Hang on. Ken has sandwiches. Keep going, Mario. When you finish that, I'll send you to the nurse. When you finish that paper, I'll send you to the nurse. When you finish that, I'll send you to the nurse. I promise. But I need you to finish it first. The doctor said you can come out of school, but you gotta be here. You gotta be working, buddy. Sweet Avery Brown, he's at home. He's watching our class online, and he's working too. Mm-hmm. That's why we record. Yeah, he has his paper. That's why we record so that he can see it every single day. He's at home in bed because he can't have our germs. He's at home when he's in the hospital. He's at home and sometimes he's in the hospital. Right now he's at home. At home sometimes. Yeah, right now he's at home, and if he's at home and he can work, we can all work, can't we? Yeah. Yeah, so we gotta think about that. If sweet Avery Brown can be at home working so hard, what should we be doing at school? We should be working so hard. And he can hear everything you're saying. He and his mom hears every time you get in trouble. Miss Mitten can watch that. She can see every time you're getting in trouble. Every time Miss James marks out a letter, or every time I say, we gotta catch that bubble. Yep, they can hear it. They can hear it and see it. Yes, he is. You make him back. Alright, so you should be wrapping up your paper, and then I have something really, really, really exciting for us to do. That we're going to try out. So I want you to wrap up your paper, put all your manipulatives. What's a manipulative?
It's a sheet.
No. The little pieces. Clean those up, please. Manipulative. Alright, so her friend. Sit up. Kelly has 7 bracelets. And 7, how many times am I adding 7? Huh? Okay, so does Avery have 7 bracelets? Also, what about this? Did I read this now? Yes or no? 6 rows up. Alright, 7 rows up. What? 7 rows up. 7 rows up. Jeff has it. Alright, next. Do it. Let's see it. I want to see how smart you are. How hard are you going to work at home? I get it. Equals what? What does 7 mean? plus 7 is 5 times. Oh my stars, you are so smart. You are a genius. Alright, what's my multiplication problem? Oh my word, Jacaria Brown! I don't believe it. So how many rows?
You guys should make
Hey, check that backpack, baby. Alright, how many is that? That's only 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Finish up. Alright, guys. I want you to give me a thumbs up, a hand, or a thumbs down on what your thoughts were on multiplicative comparisons. Honesty. I need you to be honest in here. I need everybody. I need either hands like this, thumbs up, or thumbs down. Tiana, what are your thoughts? Thumbs up, thumbs down, or hands? Hands, okay. Jacaria, thumbs up, thumbs down, or hands? Alright. Alright, when you're done with that, I want you to put it away. I want you to clear your desk. And I want you to pack up for reading. Sorry, we ran out of time for our fun. I'm serious. It's time for reading. See what happens when we're having fun? Time flies by, doesn't it? Guys, I'm so proud of you guys today. You worked so hard in math.